All right, guys, we're out here today at Canoe Creek trying to catch some trout. I think I just got a bite. That's why I started. Oh, there we go. There we are. First one of the day. All right, there we go. First rainbow of the day, real pretty. All right, let's see if we can get another fish, guys. Stay tuned. Oh, guys, we just went to a big river not far from my house. I think I just foul hooked a giant trout. Nope, I hooked him. Holy crap. Look at the size of that trout. For this river, that is big. Holy crap. Man, did he destroy that spinner. Yep, get it. There we go. Wow, look at the size of that one, guys. That's probably a good 14, 15 inches. Out of here, that's actually not bad. And there he goes. Jeez. What a fish. All right, so that's one. Let's see if we can get another. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Switched up spots. Oh, hell, that hurt. Not easy to get to. Hopefully that should make the fishing a little better. All right. See if we can get one out of here. Caught one. Yes. That's a nice brookie. Oh, we foul hooked him right on the top. I don't know. I think we may have. Wow. No. Quick release. Well, I think we had him hooked right at the very top. Ooh. Caught him. Wow, look at that. Oh man, another quick release. These fish have been on this lure that I made last night all night. Holy crap, I could feel him hitting it a couple times. And I think he finally came and hit it for the final time. I can feel him hitting it. Oh, got one. Oh, that's a good bite. That might be a big fish. That might be a big fish. That is a big fish. Wow. What a brown. Holy crap. What a fish. That's an all wild brown trout right there. Holy crap. Ay, 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 his teeth. Sharper than most. Get that boy out. Wow, guys, that is one hell of a brown trout right there. I'm gonna get a little underwater release. So I can get my GoPro out. That's amazing. This spot here is so overlooked by so many people because it's a polluted kind of creek, but I mean, take a look underwater and you can see just how clear it can be. So it is very overlooked. A lot of people do not fish here, but I can tell you what, it is one of my favorite rivers. I mean, I grew up right near it. I love it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so that's it for today. Had a pretty good day. Started out with, well, I didn't get the second one on camera, but 2 rainbow trout at the lake. Came down to the creek, caught probably like 6 or 7 brook trout. Caught 2 big brown trout, which was honestly, that was amazing. And that was it for today. I'm a little tired. Got my first varsity baseball game tomorrow, so probably gonna head home and, you know, lay low for the rest of the night. And then, I don't know, we're gonna try and get out fishing this week. Saturday, opening day for the regional counties of Pennsylvania at least. So that doesn't include me, but I'm still gonna go, take a couple friends. We're gonna go out to a creek, I think in Juniata County, because that's what's closest. Don't want to be driving overly far. So yeah, guys, I'll definitely be seeing you by the end of the week. So thanks again for watching. Feel free to check out my other videos, and I'll see you on the next video.